everyone, my name is Dragon Sifu. Today I will teach you Baat Jaam Do Butterfly Life Session 4. Okay, we call Gaang Do. Okay, Gaang Jaam or Gaang Do. Okay, Gaang Sao. Before we do the Gaang Sao, remember Gaang? This is wingchun technique. Okay, Session 4. So now we use the knife. Make it longer. Okay, make the hand longer. Okay. A little bit difficult this session because we easy to cut. If the real life, I try the real life, so easy to cut your hand, too easy. So I teach you the first word, okay? How to gun? This look like gun sound. Can you see that? Like this. First 4 gun sound. Here, gun. Can you see that? This hand holding down, and this hand up. Can you see that? Up and turn. Can you see that? This Gaang Do. Okay, and go down, and Gaang, and go down, and Gaang. Can you see that? And then jump, and then that. This go down. Can you see that? This go down. This go down. Go down. Remember this rolling. Remember, be careful. Okay, easy cut your hand. Use the lower body turning. Okay, remember, Chun kill turning. Remember, very important right here. So total have 8 Gaang Do, okay? This Gaang Do, okay? So right now, I will show you how to step forward, okay? Use the Gaang Do here, Gaang, step forward, okay? And then, this, like this, okay, can you see that? When you go up, in, Gaang, and this, like this. Can you see that? Like this. When I Gaang Do, step forward, and then I will do this. Can you see that? Because I already jump, hand jump, okay? Can you see that? And then, and then I will jump, and this way, change to turn, turn, and jump. And then, when you go back, free Jaam Do, okay, this change, no, jump, change, session 4 change to Jaam Do, okay, can you see that? When I go here, jump, okay, and go back, 1, 2, 3, okay, again. Right hand side, can you see that? And turn, okay, already jump, and this turn, and jump, and go back, 1, 2, and 3, Jaam Do. Okay, the first 3 session is Jaam Do, and after this session, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 session is total is go back is Jaam Do. It's not Jaam Do. Okay, the first 3 sessions is Jaam Do. After this 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 session is Jaam Do. Okay, not Jaam Do. So right now I'll teach you a little bit skill. Remember the Gaang Do? Gaang Do hand technique. Remember? So now, today session 4 is finished. So I will see you next time. If you like this video, please remember to like or subscribe. Okay, bye. See you.